So it's lightly raining this week. There's been epic clouds, lots of thunderstorms in the evening. Wouldn't you know it, tonight's the night that I'm able to actually make it out. And it is slightly raining. So a little bit of a drizzle, but I think our skies are looking pretty good. And there's a good chance they might break up here in a little bit. But seeing clouds like this get me pretty excited about the pictures we're about to create. Right where you are, I love the pose, I like everything there. Like this. Yeah, now bring up the higher with the umbrella. Nose has to come that way. Make sure the umbrella is flat towards. Nope, the other way, that way, so I can see it. Otherwise, it looks like this instead of like that. So here's the question I have is, why is it that everywhere that I see with these epic views, someone decides to put power lines right across the most beautiful views all over America? Okay, so the leg again, don't let that shear go over it because your leg gets lost.
Oh, okay.
No, you're still...
This one?
Yes, like that.
Oh, got it. Oh, okay.
There we go.
Oh, so the leg needs to be like out.
It has to be out.
You know, it's funny because the slit is right in the middle.
Whoa, did the stars align? Whoa, maybe it's a sign we should do tonight again.
Just in case, have the umbrella open because it will.
Yes.
It will be a matter of seconds.
Okay. Is the water cold?
I almost think I should have brought my socks, and I would have just gone in my socks. That's okay. All right, here we go. So we're facing, so I should be on this side, right?
Those wicked problems are evaporating. Baby, I'm just guessing, but I've got a feeling. Whoa, we could dance all night. Whoa, not the end of time. We could do tonight again. Even in another lifetime, baby. And let's do tonight again. Rewind until daylight. Repeat, rewind, and put your hands up. Oh, keep those hands up for tonight again. Even in another lifetime, baby. And let's
Yeah.
do